If you want to add a calendar link in your Mailchimp email, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step so you can send your audience straight to an event, meeting, or booking page with just one click. This is a simple but powerful way to boost engagement, make it easier for people to register, and keep all your important event details in one place. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Mailchimp tutorials. Let's jump in. First, you need to create the calendar event you want to link to. Open Google Calendar in your browser and click to create a new event. Choose the date and the time for your event carefully, because this is the link your viewers will use to access the details. Make sure the timing is correct and matches what you want to promote in your email. Next, enter all of the event details. Add a clear event title so people instantly know what the calendar link is for. Then review the date, time, and any other information you want included. If you are sharing a webinar, consultation, class, or live event, double-check everything now so you do not have to edit it later. The more accurate your event details are, the better the experience will be for your email audience. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the event. After saving, now copy the shareable event link. Open the saved calendar event and grab the URL that you want to use inside Mailchimp. This is the link you will paste into your email, so keep it ready in your clipboard or in a note for the next step. Now go over to Mailchimp and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on Campaigns. Here you can either create a brand new email campaign or open an existing draft that you already want to edit. If you are updating a newsletter, promo email, or event announcement, this is where you'll make the change. Once your campaign is open, click Edit Design to launch the Mailchimp email editor. Inside the editor, scroll to the section where you want the calendar link to appear. Think about the best place for it in your layout so it stands out and is easy for your readers to click. Now you can add your link in one of two ways. You can use a button content block if you want a strong call to action, or you can use a text content block with a hyperlink if you want it to blend into the body of your email. Choose whichever option matches your design best. If you want simple wording, use text like event, view calendar, or save your spot. Next, paste the copied calendar event URL into the button link field or the hyperlink field, depending on the option you chose. Make sure the full link is inserted correctly and that there are no missing characters. Once the link is added, save the link settings so Mailchimp remembers it properly. After that, review your email carefully. Check the button text, the link destination, the spacing, and how everything looks on mobile and desktop. This step is important because it helps you catch any mistakes before sending the email to your audience. When everything looks right, click Save and Exit to finish editing your campaign. And that's it. You've now added a calendar link in your Mailchimp email using a simple workflow that connects your event in Google Calendar to your campaign in Mailchimp. This makes it much easier for your subscribers to access your event details with one click. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Mailchimp how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.